What is online reputation management? Online reputation management is a process to protect and defend online any company or individual reputation. This process includes monitoring entire web for use of specific keywords associated with client, which might further useful for tracking unethical use of trademarks, and deleting and outranking negative comments posted on blogs, forums, and review sites from search results. Online reputation repair is a process to protect and build positive reputation for an individual or company online, so that whenever people research about them over search engines, they find positive information listed on first page of search results. Feel free to contact us at firstpagebrokers@gmail.com. We will help you